Project Management, Single Lesson Topic Number 2. What is the difference between project, program, and portfolio management? What is the difference between project management, program management, and portfolio management? I like to think of it as a rubber band. A project manager has a very narrow approach. He's concerned with task and getting the job done. He wants to know when are the purchase parts going to be purchased? When are they going to be received? When are the machine parts going to be completed? When is engineering going to release drawings to the shop? And all he wants to do is to go down the list and check things off, get things done. That is a very focused and very intensive approach to project management. Now, on the other hand, the program manager needs to have a more elastic approach. He's more concerned with resources, floor space, planning, and being able to shift resources to accommodate multiple projects, multiple programs. Actually, a good program manager knows that things change and will plan ahead and position itself to be able to provide the support that is needed when it's needed to get the job done. Now, the portfolio manager is a different approach altogether, because the portfolio manager cares about making money, profit, revenues. So he needs to have not only an amplitude of thinking, but he has to have both vertical, top and bottom mentality. Why? Because he needs to be able to align himself with the objectives, strategy, and goals of the organization at the top. Okay. And he's always thinking about the bottom line. So top, bottom, and amplitude of thinking. The scope of the project changes. The project manager is constantly dealing with that change, changing the schedule to reflect those changes, and recording any changes that affects the scope, and translating those changes into deviations, and hopefully charging for it, or making sure that the sales department issues new quotes to cover items that were not originally included in the quote. Project, program, portfolio managers, they have different take and different perspective. It boils down to amplitude and range of focus. Now let me know what you think.